Good evening, everyone. Here's Sheriff from Jared's Car Reviews. For today's in-depth review, here I am to bring you the all-new 2018 Ford F150 King Ranch. This is going to be a full tour of the F150. I'm going to start up, show the engine, show you much of the features on the inside as well as the outside of the truck. So, here's the key. You got your unlock, your lock, your remote start, your tailgate release, and your panic. Very simple. It also has Ford Smart Key Access System. Make sure the key fob's in your pocket or purse. The doors are currently unlocked. To lock, push the button. Then after waiting a second, grab behind the handle and automatically locks the door. You also have your keyless entry pad right here. It's a black exterior. Oh, you also have warning boards as well. With brown leather interior, with the King Ranch logo on the seat, power driver's seat, with power recline and power lumbar. It's also push button start. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake and hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. It's got a 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. Very smooth power steering. It's got a 10-speed automatic transmission. We also have manual shiftability. You can shift via the plus and minus on the shifter. You also have a backup camera with guidance lines right there. And you also have a top-down view as well. The parking brake's located right here. That's engaged. And that's disengaged. Alright, let's go call on the lights, fog lights, and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window, and check out the exterior. That's BB because I took the key away from the vehicle. Got your blind spot detection on the mirrors. You also have LED turn signal mirrors. Got LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, your LED turn signal indicators, LED fogs. LED tail lights with LED turn signal indicators. There's your backup camera. There's your exhaust. Let's go pop the hood. It's got the 5.3 liter V8. There's your battery. Power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, 3-person memory settings, storage down there. Mirrors also fold as well. I'm just gonna give it a couple of revs. Very nice. Got your climate control with your temperatures on each side. Your fan speed. Your off button, your front defrost, your recycling, max front defrost, max air conditioning, your different modes, your rear defrost, 3-stage heated and cooled seats for the driver and passenger. You got a USB port with some storage down there. You can also close it if you want to. Very nice. Got your cup holders and a little bit of storage where you can put your phone or your wallet in here or whatever. Got the King Ranch logo right here. You got a very nice amount of storage. And you also put some stuff in here as well. And you have a 12-volt power outlet. Very nice. Got your radio controls.
Probably familiar with the term.
not a reliable source. Lord told me, have you seen her? Let me wrap my weave up. I'm the trampolina, tell him I gasolina. Motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shot it bad, pop a lot.
It's got a good sound system. You can get your different stations.
Of Jesus Christ.
Very nice.
For you have heard of my former manner of life in Judaism, how I used to persecute the church of God beyond measure and tried to destroy it. And I was advancing in Judaism beyond many of my contemporaries.
Got your climate control right here. You can control it from the screen.
More extremely zealous for my ancestral
with your temperatures.
But when God, who had
your different modes, fan speed,
and called me through His grace, was pleased to reveal His Son in me, so that I might.
There's your off button.
Gentiles, I did not immediately consult with flesh
you got your auto climate control. You also have a heated steering wheel.
To those who were apostles
go ahead and turn that on.
But I went to Arabia and returned
got your phone,
to Damascus. Then 3 years later,
your navigation.
I went up to Jerusalem to become acquainted with Cephas and stayed with him
your apps,
15 days.
and your settings.
Peter, but I did not
all of your settings right here.
The apostles, except James, the Lord's brother. Now, in what I am writing
very
to
nice.
you, I assure you before God that I am not
right here, you have your hill descent, your traction control, hazards, your different camera settings. There's the backup camera, and there's the front camera. You can change many different views for the camera.
This is the testimony of the Apostle Paul that he went into the
so you have your auto stop feature.
Until what we have described in Acts chapter 12.
You got a 12-volt power outlet and a house outlet. And you got your 4-wheel drive right here. Then your trailer hitch button.
To go and preach the gospel to the Gentiles. But again, the gospel that he was promoting, the gospel that he was preaching, was a gospel that was not
got your volume controls.
By Peter. It was a gospel that was revealed to him by the Lord Jesus himself. I think this is very important to know, especially
mute button, voice command.
Please say a command.
Help.
Help. Interrupt me at any time by pressing the voice button. You can say phone, navigation, climate, Sirius, USB, AM, or FM. To get more detailed help, say the name of the device followed by help, like phone help. To access the voice settings, say voice settings. If your phone is connected, you can say commands like redial, call John Smith, or dial 5550.
Tune to 105.7.
Tuning to FM 105.7.
Very nice. And you got your cruise control right here. Driver info system. Very nice. You got your turn signals. The wipers. There's high speed. There's low speed. Got your interior lights. Sunglass storage. And this right here, this opens the rear window. Very nice. And you have your panoramic sunroof. Very nice. And this opens and closes the shade. Very nice. Right here you have your tachometer, your oil, temperature, fuel gauge, and your temperature, and your speedometer. And right there is your gear selector. Very nice. All right, so I guess that's it for the inside. Let's go check out the back seat. Power window. Your door handle. Storage down there. You also have a little bit of storage right here. Map pockets. Got your air vents right here. You also have 2-stage heated seats for the back passengers as well. You can get your 2 USB outlets and a house outlet. And you have a 12-volt power outlet. Cup holders and your center armrest. Let's go check out the tailgate. Then you have your step here. Very nice. Got your power window, power door locks, storage right here, full power seats, glove box. Nice truck. All right, So let's gonna start it with the door closed. Nice. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2018 Ford F-150 King Ranch. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment. Also, if you're interested in buying this car, McDavid Ford, please give him a call. I'll leave the telephone number and the link in the description down below. And tell him that JS Car Review sent you. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video.